we'll move on to the next one. Let's, you on EOS now?
You want to go to EOS?
Yeah, let's go to EOS. We'll cover EOS. Let me hop back on the charts. Go ahead, buddy.
All right, let's take a look at EOS. As you could tell, for my Fibonacci, as it's been quite some time, at least from June 5th, 2023, since the last time I did analysis here. So let's take a look.
Oh, it's been a while.
Yes. Okay. So EOS paired with the US dollar. We're on the weekly time frame, data coming from Coinbase. And EOS on Coinbase goes back to April 8th, 2019. So again, we're just going to deal with what's happened lately, right? We're not going to go too far back. So I'm going to extend my Fibonacci, and I have it not from the all-time high, but I have it from a recent high, which is September 6, 2021. And then, see, now I need to plug in a low, so I'm going to extend it out. Let me adjust my chart real fast so I can set the swing low a little slightly easier. All right, that's good enough for me. Let's lock it into place. Then let me take a zoom out and take a look. All right, a couple more spots, zoom in. Here, give me just a second. Oh, it's locked, that's why. Extend this out. Perfect. Lock it back into place. And again, like we talked about earlier, this is just for filling wicks. So wicks that have yet to been filled, and we have one more, even though we have to get to the previous one before we get to this one.
Everything's moving right now, dude.
Lock it into place. Let me take a peek.
Sorry about that,
98. And nice. I like it. I like it. All right. So let's take a look at this. So again, EOS paired with the US dollar, weekly time frame, data coming in from Coinbase. I have my Fibonacci drawn from September 13th, 2021, extended out. We have our swing low here around November 11th, 2024. And you could see, you know, we've had a lot of little play within the Fibonacci, but really we're coming down, bouncing up, getting rejected, bouncing back down, finding slight support, pumping to the upside, getting rejected. Trying to pump above it, getting slapped down as resistance, and just slowly grinding to the downside. And we've just recently, of the past few weeks, along with the bull markets, are starting to move to the upside. So Fibonacci's first movement, we need to get it back up to the 236 level, which from current price up to the 236 would be roughly 145%. To our red box of resistance that we need to fill, bottom of the box would be about 291%. Top of the box, 306%. So definitely when I look at coins like this that have just been low, similar to AMP, this low for this long in these current market conditions, the sky's the limit. We're about as low could go, right?
And I know about that too.
We're 15 to 25% from the lows, but 300% from not even real resistance. You know what I mean? So EOS has a long ways to go to the upside. There's not much of a point in doing too many trend lines, even though I have some extreme ones drawn from the past that one day, potentially, if EOS is over $10, could come into play. But currently, I'm not going to worry about those. I'm not going to extend those or plot them out, but I'm also not going to delete them. But 1, 2, really, I can't say too much more besides it's so low. The risk of it going lower does not outweigh the reward of 300%. So Ethereum, like many other coins that haven't moved yet, definitely has a long ways to go. It has a lot of legs in it, right? Because this would just be 300%.
Whoa, what's the next one? Oh.
Yeah, so I mean, really, look, if we came up here, that's 300%. Look where we could go to the 618, right? Look to the other box of resistance. So current price up to the next red box, which to fill the wick over here on the left side from November 22nd, 2021. It hasn't been filled since then. That would be 568%. So huge reward on EOS, a beautiful setup, because really, I don't know how much lower we could drop to the downside, especially just look at this. When you look at it like this, right, we can't even get the high in there. Look at how small we have to zoom it out. You're telling me that this is scaring you on how much we could not drop to the downside? The coin would have to go to zero. It would have to, EOS would have to file bankruptcy
shut down right now
for you to lose
the money.
Yeah, your investment. With all the high here, I'll extend this, even though I'm going to lose where I plotted it. Oh, it's locked.
Hold on, before you move it, lock it. Lock it. There's an option. You go to the settings. Click on it, go to the settings of it, the little three dots, and there should be like an array option that just extends the whole. Let's see. Where's
clone, copy? No.
Go to the left, the little gear.
The gear.
Go,
right settings. Visibility.
Go to the style.
Style, middle.
Yeah, stand left and right. Stand left line. Yeah, stand it. And then right.
Okay, to the right. Let's go to the right.
Perfect.
Wow. Everybody knows more technical analysis than I do. Look at him. Okay, so you see, like, with that line extended, right, which is a super strong fib from, let's see.
Should have told you earlier, sorry.
2020, end of 2020, another touch point, June 2021, another touch point, September 13th, 2021, before we melted through it, November 29th, 2021. So an extremely valid trend line. So when we do start moving to the upside and we break these fibs, we break these red boxes of resistance, flip them as support, the bull market continues. I mean, you see, that will propel us to, at currently, if we went straight to it right now, over $10 a coin. Right?
Yes.
And that's unreal. So
let's measure that, please.
The longer it takes, the higher that projection is going to get.
So we're at 0.7, right? 0.69.
Yeah, that's 1,365%.
So let's do what Anvil Joe's did.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Yeah. I like it.
But the difference with EOS compared to Anvil, it would take a lot more money to move EOS.
Gotcha.
To that over 1,000%. That a lot of money would have to flow into EOS to make a movement like that. So EOS looks good. Our fib levels are here to outline where we could potentially go, right? Mm-hmm. The main areas, I would say, is our red box of resistance, which would put us in the high $2 range. Our 78.6, which is lining up with another red box of resistance, that would put us in the low $5 range. So EOS has a long ways to go. EOS isn't even back at $1 yet. Mm-hmm. But again, when is this movement going to come in? It's going to come in after Bitcoin's done and chillin'. Oh, you're light.
Yeah.
After Bitcoin's done and chillin', after Ethereum makes its move.
Yes.
And this is a part of the third category, right? Mm-hmm. Of the third ones that move after Bitcoin and Ethereum do its job, do its thing, I should say. So EOS has nothing but upside potential, just like, 80% of the altcoin market currently. And I'm going to save this because it's been a long time since I did analysis on it.